Hello, PCR enthusiasts. Today, we'll walk you through the steps of replacing the main board on your Qiagen Rotor-Gene Q RT-PCR machine. Make sure to follow along carefully, and if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Before we dive in, power off your Rotor-Gene Q RT-PCR machine and unplug it from the electrical outlet. Always prioritize safety by wearing anti-static wrist straps to prevent any electrostatic discharge during the process. Start by removing the outer cover of your Rotor-Gene Q to reveal the internal components. Locate the main board, typically situated left side of the machine. Carefully disconnect all cables attached to the main board, including power cables, data cables, and any peripherals. Take note of the cable positions to make the reassembly process smoother. Using the appropriate tools, unscrew the old main board from its mounting points. Gently lift the board out, being mindful of nearby components. Set aside the screws for later. Place the new main board into the designated slot, aligning it with the screw holes. Secure the board in place by reattaching the screws you removed earlier. Now, carefully reconnect all cables to the new main board. Refer to your notes from earlier to ensure each cable is properly connected. Double-check for a secure fit. Power on your Rotor-Gene Q RT-PCR machine and check the voltages in noted points in manual for verify the success of the main board replacement and upload the relevant data file to the machine. Monitor for any error messages and ensure the system functions as expected. Fantastic job! You've just completed the main board replacement on your Qiagen Rotor-Gene Q RT-PCR machine. If you have questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PCR-related content. Thanks for tuning in.